The 2026 Suzuki Swift continues the model's tradition of compact efficiency and urban agility, building upon the strengths of its predecessors. While specific details about the 2026 model are yet to be fully disclosed, the Swift has consistently been recognized for its lightweight design and responsive handling, making it a popular choice among city drivers. The 2024 Swift, for instance, featured a 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine producing 81 brake horsepower, coupled with a mild hybrid system to enhance fuel efficiency. In terms of safety, the Swift has shown commendable performance. The 2024 model underwent Euro NCAP testing, achieving a 67% rating for adult occupant protection and 65% for child occupant protection. These results highlight Suzuki's commitment to safety, although there remains room for improvement in certain areas. The interior of the Swift is designed with practicality in mind, offering a comfortable driving position and user-friendly controls. While it may not boast the premium materials found in higher-end models, the cabin provides a functional and pleasant environment for both driver and passengers. The infotainment system is straightforward, ensuring ease of use during commutes. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Swift's standout features. The 2024 model claimed an impressive 64.2 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for budget-conscious drivers. This efficiency, combined with its compact size, renders the Swift particularly suitable for urban settings, where maneuverability and low running costs are essential. Overall, the Suzuki Swift has maintained its reputation as a reliable and efficient supermini. While awaiting specific details about the 2026 iteration, it's anticipated that Suzuki will continue to refine and enhance the Swift, building upon its established strengths to meet the evolving needs of drivers.